Here we go with a question about friction, and again we're on a horizontal plane and we're looking at dynamic friction. Take a chance to pause the video, try the question, and if you've had a go and you want to see the explanation, hit play. Okay, so in this case we've got a force P which is being applied to the block, and the block is moving to the right. So as we said, we're dealing with, again, with dynamic friction. Now, whenever we're dealing with dynamic friction, we need to remember that when we're in that dynamic regime, the dynamic friction force is simply the product of mu times r, that's the coefficient of dynamic friction, and it is constant regardless of the force that we apply to the body. So regardless of what that P is, F is always going to be the same value provided its mass and the gravity don't change. So we've got a horizontal surface, and again we've got friction is equal to mu times r, and as we've got our reaction force is equal to the weight, we can combine them to make friction force is equal to mu times mg. So hopefully we can see the answer is A. Why? Well, because mu is a ratio and it's the coefficient of friction for all bodies, it doesn't change. And also F does not depend on the value of P. In other words, if I pull it harder, the friction force will stay the same. And that's why our answer here is A.